nice and warm. In here you find both young and old, seeking shelter from the storm. It's the spirit of the season to open up the door. It's the spirit of the season to give them love some more. It's the spirit of the season to lend a helping hand. It's the spirit of Christmas season. Let's spread it across the land. Hang a winter coat on the antlers there. Come sit down by the hearth. Let go of your worries, strifes and cares. Give the here and now all that's worth.
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Today I am getting ready to jump on a conference call real quick in about 7 minutes. I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee and then I'm gonna go to the store and get everything I need. You guys are gonna make Christmas cookies today. You know, one of the things on the advent calendar was to plan a cookie exchange. And so I'm gonna go get the stuff I need for the cookies and some containers to put them in so that way I can have like a festive container for the cookies that I'm giving to Jody, Lauren, Kim, and Aunt Missy. Plus I've been doing, look, laundry all morning here. So I've got to finish folding laundry when I get off that call. But this call is just like a quick little business call. So hopefully it won't take too long. And then I'm gonna clean up the bedroom here a little bit. And then we're gonna head out and get the stuff for the cookies and then the cute little containers. I'm thinking maybe we'll go to Hobby Lobby for that. So it'll be a fun day in the kitchen today, and then I'll make dinner. So I'm excited to hang out with you guys today. Guys, I have never seen Hobby Lobby so empty in my life. I mean, they are wiped out of everything Christmas. These are the containers that I got for our cookie exchange. So each one of our friends will have a different color theme. And I picked some up for Jody too. She asked me, since I was coming here, if I would grab some for her. I have to say it's the first time I've ever been into Hobby Lobby where they literally had maybe 4 aisles of Christmas that were even still bare. I've never seen anything like it. They said they were so wiped out. People shopped early and they're already putting spring decor out. I'm blown away. Blown away. I'm glad I started early. People always say, oh my gosh, people make comments like, I can't believe you guys started so early, but gosh, I'm glad I did. I'm so glad I did. All right, now up to the grocery store to get stuff to make my cookies. And, all right, it's gonna be a long day in the kitchen, but I'm excited. I'll put some Christmas music on and it will be a fun day. Alrighty, guys, it's time to start making some cookies. So I'm gonna make the first ones I'm gonna make today because I don't know if I can handle a whole day in the kitchen baking. So I thought we'll start small because I'm gonna make dinner yet tonight for you guys. So I'm gonna make these. They're called Insanely Delicious Turtle Cookies. So the first thing I have to do is I gotta take 28 of these caramels out of the wrappers. I'm gonna put them in here. And then we're gonna go ahead and start making these cookies. And I'm telling you, nothing like caramel and chocolate. I'm all in. So I cannot wait to get these started. And of course, nibble on a few ourselves, Mark and I, tonight. And oh, let me show you. I'll show you when these are baking, the boxes and stuff that I got. I know I showed you guys real quickly when I was at Hobby Lobby, but what I got, and I actually got specific ones for who I know that they would look nice with, you know, as far as with their decor. I actually matched their cookie containers to their decor. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started unwrapping these caramels and get these cookies baking.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down, and it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say.
I love them rosy noses, I love them mistletoes, I love them cheesy pieces on television, and I cry like a baby each time. See, the hero gets the girl, and I got a Merry Christmas crush. There's nothing like a fire, like angels in the snow. I never will be tired of this adorable season. Got a real feel-good flow. Oh, and every carol is a rush. Got a Merry Christmas crush. Tonight I wanna celebrate. Tonight I wanna dream away. See the shimmer in the eyes of every happy Christmas child.
Alrighty guys, well I realized, because obviously I'm not good at math, I had to make a whole other batch of these cookies yet to make enough. So just got done peeling more caramels, or not peeling, but taking off the paper, more caramels. And I just texted all of our friends. I'm like, whose idea was this for this cookie exchange? It was mine. And I'm gonna be totally honest with you guys. I do not like to bake at all. Like, I'm looking around my kitchen, it's a disaster zone. I'm like literally a nervous wreck. I'm gonna screw this up, because when I cook, I love just to throw stuff in. Doesn't matter how much or whatever, but baking, you have to be so specific. Not for me. You guys that bake a bunch of cookies, God bless you. That is awesome. It's not fun. It's literally taking me 20 minutes to take just the wrappers off. Okay, so I'm gonna get everything clean and get ready for batch number 2.
Merry, Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. A Merry, Merry Christmas. So Merry Christmas to you. Let's have a joyful night. We'll keep a candle burning to light the way for the reindeers. Give Santa Claus a hand. Oh, I really cannot get enough of my Merry Christmas crush. Tonight I wanna celebrate. Tonight I wanna dream away. See the shimmer in the eyes of every happy Christmas child.
I have to show you guys as I put the caramel inside, but guess what, you guys? These were supposed to be 60 balls, not 30. This is why I don't like to bake. I am the world's worst. Oh my gosh, I completely messed up. Okay, that's okay. I'm gonna make another batch, maybe tomorrow, but they look yummy. I mean, they don't look pretty, but they taste good, I should say. All right, now that I had my first little snafu with making the cookies today, which now I know what to do with my next batch, we'll be all good. I'm gonna make dinner. I'm gonna make this delicious Tuscan chicken, you guys. It sounds fabulous. It's supposed to only take 20 minutes. So let me show you.
Who is on his merry way? It's Santa. Who wants nothing more than bring you
I just added a handful of spinach, 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna add a cup of heavy cream, actually any kind of heavy cream, light cream, whatever you got. Oh, does this look good? Okay, I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese. This is what I had cut up fresh. I'm just gonna add that to it. And I'm gonna add a little bit of cream cheese to this too. Served over brown rice, a little glass of wine because much needed after my day in the kitchen. Okay guys, so I finally just had a chance to sit here. I gotta do some editing of the vlog and stuff yet tonight. But oh my gosh, it was just so funny. I kept text messaging our friends. I'm like, you guys, I quit the cookie exchange, and they're like, what? It was your idea. I said, I am such a ding dong. I mean, seriously, I know that I doubled the recipe. But when I looked at the recipe to see how many balls it was supposed to make, I only looked at the recipe for the one, you know, the one specific, what the recipe was to make before I doubled it. So instead of making 60 balls, like I said, share with you guys, I only made 30. They're huge. And I was sending pictures and they were all laughing. So then after that, I made the dinner, the Tuscan chicken, which was fabulous. And Mark was so sweet. He helped me do all the dishes because I had dishes everywhere. And so everything's cleaned up, and I poured myself a glass of wine. But I wanted to share with you guys, we got a few things in our P.O. box, and oh gosh, I just want to share this with you. Okay, so the first thing I want to share with you is a gift from, and my mind just went completely blank. Oh my goodness, where'd the card go? Kathy. Oh, Kathy. I just popped into my brain. Look at this ornament. You guys know that my word of the year is joy. Let me just turn on this TV in our office. That's Hallmark on channel. It's an ornament with the word joy on it. Oh my gosh, Kathy, thank you so much. I cannot wait to give this a home somewhere in our house. And it says it on both sides. Look at that. Oh, I love it so much. And I love my word joy. Thank you, Kathy. Thank you so much for being so kind. And, you know, no one, again, like we said, has to send us gifts or anything. And, you know, I just want to thank you so much for your kindness. We also got some cards. And I got this. Look how cute this is. Walking in the Winter Wonderland. A little snowman. And this is from Robin. Oh, Robin, thank you so much. Cozy tidings to you too. I love this adorable card. And then another card here. Oh, I love the Robin. I love that. And this is from Joy. Joy, thank you so much. This is such a beautiful card, you guys. I really appreciate your kindness for taking time to send cards. And just so you know, we keep all the cards. I keep all the emails and everything. I print them that you guys send, and I just have a huge file folder. And I just, you know, every once in a while when I'm going through things to look for a certain file, whatever, and I see all these cards, it just completely warms my heart. I feel just so grateful and so thankful to all of you that just take the time to do that. And so I just wanted to make sure that I said thank you, and I got to show your cards on my vlog. And of course my joy ornament. I can't wait. I'm looking around the house thinking, where am I gonna put this? I'll show you for sure when I find its perfect home. All right, guys, well, I'm gonna start editing. I don't really know what I've even done on this vlog. I mean, I don't even know. I'm trying to think, what does tomorrow bring? Well, tomorrow my friend Lisa, who did the video with Lauren and I, remember the recipe that made rolls, pepperoni rolls and cinnamon rolls? Well, she invited me to come over for like a little girls' dinner tomorrow night, her and I, and she's gonna make homemade pepperoni rolls and some soup. So I cannot wait. I've not seen her in so long, and I want to see her Christmas decor. She always just has it so cute and cozy. So I'll be sure to vlog that tomorrow, and I'll probably bring my laptop and ask her if she minds if I edit while we're sitting around chit-chatting. So I know you guys will want to see that. And so I'm looking forward to that tomorrow, and I really don't know what else I have going on. I don't know, who knows. But all I know is I want to just put my feet up. I want to use my shiatsu and give my little feet some massage, and start getting this edited and out to you guys tonight. And then like I said, tomorrow, I mean, I don't even know where my phone is to see what I have on the calendar. I really don't know. But anyway, and so I'm gonna call it a night and say thank you guys so much again for chilling out with me. I know a lot of it was just me making things, but that was my day today. So thank you so much again. I hope that you guys continue your calendar here. Let's see, as you guys, I always put in the beginning of the video, what is on the advent calendar for today. So, and it was patronize a local small business. And what did I do today, guys? I went and got stuff for, I went to Hobby Lobby in our grocery store. But I was gonna go to our one business to get a birthday gift, but she's got certain kind of holiday hours, and I know she's, the kids are home, you know, taking online, you know, classes because of everything. And so she was closed today. So I was going to patronize that business, but they were closed. Tomorrow is send a Secret Santa gift to someone in need. So I'm gonna have to think about who that could be, because I think that's so important. And actually, this Christmas, we canceled Christmas Eve at Missy's, obviously for obvious reasons. But starting last year, now this year, instead of buying gifts for one another, we always pick a name. We are donating that money to one of our local food banks. So anyway, so that's what we're going to be doing for our gift this year. And canceling, you know, Christmas Eve is just the way it has to be this year. But I'll still have our children here. You know, my mother will hopefully be able to come, and my mother-in-law. So we're just going to play it by ear as far as it's going to be a game time decision. What we really end up doing, what's going to be just our little bubble with just our immediate family. So, all right, guys, I'm going to go ahead, start editing, finish my wine, put my feet in the shiatsu, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night.
Now listen.